Welcome to yWild's videos. Recently I saw a video of some guys perpetual spinning a spinner using zero energy, similar to this. The link to the video is in the description. I thought it was cool to recreate the structure, and that's why I made this little video. By the way, at the end of the video I show what would really happen. Let's put the spinner in the experimental setup and see what happens. As expected, it is driven by the surrounding magnets. The higher the speed, the more centrifugal force pulls on the magnets on the spinner. The speed is steadily increasing. The magnets will fly away in a moment. Please don't do this at home. It has to be at any moment. I'd rather go a little further away from it. Oh! Whoa, what's this? Okay, that was a surprise. At least it explains where all the spinners came from in the last few years. As promised, here is the actual process. The magnets on the spinner create an asymmetrically shaped magnetic field, and this will level out at the maximum attraction of the surrounding magnets. So it wobbles a bit and then stops. A little sad, but true. This shows that the invisibility of the magnetic field creates expectations that would not arise if it were visible. Feel free to watch my videos in which I make the magnetic field visible by simulating it with gravity. If you like, visit my channel and watch these other videos. Subscribe if you dare. Thank you for watching. Have fun!